Hello, hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. In this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, January the 9th, 2024. Already solved two puzzles. The 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. Two puzzles are left. The jigsaw Sudoku. And this binary. Yes, it's a binary time. This one will be number 7769. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 16 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. 1 minute already passed, okay. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. And 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Finish in 2 minutes. Wow! Again, we have a quick puzzle to solve without comparing. Alright, I love this kind of puzzles. These kind of puzzles, yes. Anyway, we solve it again. And I like this one. If you like this too, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it to solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the fourth and last puzzle, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.